Hello there. Want to grow your YouTube channel fast with real views, like and subscribers? Google Ads as your bag. Let's walk through exactly how to set up your first promo. First, head over to your Google Ads account and click New Campaign. Then from the goal option, select Create a campaign without a goals guardians. Then choose Video as your campaign type. Pick a format like skippable in stream ads or bumper ads, depends on how you want people to see your video. Now here's where the magic starts. At your YouTube channel, set your weekly budget, start a small scale as you go, choose your target audience, countries or regions, age and gender, interests and behaviors. This is key. You want to reach people who actually care about your content. Next up, payments. You can use any major credit card or go with manual payments. If you like to top up as you go, even PayPal works if it's available in your country. Now sit back. Google does the heavy lifting. Your video starts showing up on YouTube to the exact people you targeted. That means subscribers of similar channels, people with matching interests, viewers in your chosen locations. With smart targeting and the right content, you will start seeing more views, real subscribers, comments and likes from people who care. Track everything inside your Google Ads dashboard or tools like ProBidGet if you are using third-party services. Promoting your channel doesn't have to be a guessing game. With Google Ads, it's precise, powerful and scalable. Try it out and watch your channel grow. Smash that like button if this helped and hit subscribe for more creator tips and tricks.